The year was 2016, and the world watched as the United States prepared for one of the most divisive presidential elections in history. Behind the scenes, a clandestine battle was brewing, a battle that would test the limits of cybersecurity. In the shadows of Russia, a group of skilled hackers, working under the umbrella of the GRU, a Russian military intelligence organization, began their mission. Their target, the Democratic National Committee, DNC, a key player in the U.S. election process. The hackers, known as Fancy Bear, were seasoned cyber warriors, with a history of cyber espionage and hacking high-profile targets. They infiltrated the DNC's computer network, stealing thousands of emails and internal documents. The stolen data, containing sensitive political information, was a goldmine for the Russians. They leaked the emails through the website DC Leaks and WikiLeaks, causing a political earthquake in the U.S. The leaked emails revealed internal discussions among DNC officials, some of which appeared to favor Hillary Clinton over Bernie Sanders. The revelations sparked outrage among Sanders supporters and fueled conspiracy theories, further polarizing the already divided nation. The U.S. intelligence community quickly attributed the hack to Russia. In October 2016, then Director of National Intelligence James Clapper confirmed that the Russian government was interfering in the U.S. election. The news sent shockwaves through the political world. The Russian hack was a clear violation of U.S. sovereignty, and it marked a new era of cyber warfare. In response, the U.S. government imposed sanctions on Russia and expelled diplomats. The FBI also launched an investigation into the Trump campaign's ties with Russia, an investigation that would dominate headlines for years to come. The Russian hack of the 2016 U.S. election was a stark reminder of the cybersecurity challenges the world faces. It highlighted the vulnerability of digital infrastructure and the potential for cyber attacks to influence political outcomes. Today, cybersecurity remains a critical concern for nations around the world. As technology continues to evolve, so too does the threat of cyber warfare. The Russian hack of the 2016 U.S. election serves as a cautionary tale, a reminder that in the digital age, no one is immune to the reach of cyber criminals.